Are you starting a container garden? Not really sure what tools you might need on your list? Well, in this video, we go through all of them. Hello, my Canadian gardeners, cold climate gardeners, and gardeners of the extremes. How are you guys doing today? In today's video, I'm going to show you some of my personal favorites for container gardening and just potted plants in general. All these tools are going to cost you less than $10 to $15 and will be linked down below. The number one absolute must-have for container gardening is shovels, hand trowels. So I have two different kinds here. One does not have the blade, and this one does have a blade. Both of them have the measures on the inside. This helps you know what depth you're planting at, and they just have the sharp tops, which helps kind of dig in where necessary. This is going to help you break up those tough root clumps. It's also going to help you be able to dig deep for any of those bigger potted plants that you have. This one, pretty obvious, but can't be understated and cannot be forgotten. Number two must-have container gardener tool is the whole bucket. While yours doesn't need to be purple, it could simply just be a gallon of ice cream or an old bucket of some sort that you use around the house. The purpose of the bucket is to ensure that any dead leaves, dead flowers, or fruits can be harvested and put into your bucket rather than having them blow all over your yard. This is going to be your most valuable tool you will ever use. It's understated and brought to anyone's attention, but when you're deadheading and you have flowers floating all over your yard, it's less than stellar looking. Number three, probably the one that you're gonna be the most confused by. A soup spoon. Not just any spoon, a soup spoon. I put hockey tape on mine because I'm Canadian. No, because I want the extra grip, and it actually starts kind of tearing into your hands a little bit, so I suggest putting this on there, but this is super valuable. The reason being, if you're doing a flower pot or a pot that has smaller vegetation in it, this is ideal for just pulling a little bit of soil out of the way to plop the plant in and then gently put it back. It's going to be better at the fine details compared to something like this. If you want to prevent root damage and damage to your plants, I suggest you get a soup spoon, as crazy as it may sound. This one I got from Walmart. I think it was $3. Seriously, most valuable tool in the toolkit. That's my top three most valuable container gardening tools. Like I said, all the links are down below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. Be sure to share this with all of your balcony and container gardeners across the globe. If you have any tools that you can't live without, be sure to comment them below and let everyone else know why that tool is your favorite. Oh, hey there, are you still watching? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for some more awesome plant videos.